Here we've got a small opening for converging pairs. Up until now, it was either soft close in the middle or soft close when you open it, but you couldn't be soft close, soft open. And so there's some different options that you can do on that. We've got the Sugatsune synchronized. You can go up to a 276-pound door, no soft close. We can bring these down to an 18-inch wide door. These are 24-inch right here now. We could also do the HAWA symmetric system. So if you're using HAWA tracking hardware, we can match it up. No soft close on that one either. You can go down to a 20-inch wide door with the HAWA system. And now with the CS tracking hardware, with the black tracking hardware at the top, we can actually go down to a pair of 18-inch wide doors with the soft close and soft open. So you've got your soft close in the middle, and then you can do soft open, and these doors would slide independently. So really a game changer. We can go down to an 18-inch wide pair with that CS tracking hardware. So if you're looking for that soft close, soft open, rather than the synchronized where they open and close at the same time, that's a great option. Either way, we can take care of you. HD Pocket Doors, we can make these pocket frames for any application. So we'll make our heavy duty system, and we'll find the right tracking hardware that's going to fit your application and get it implemented in there, set up for your project.